First, the top stories. 12 injured in protest at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences after woman dies post-caesarean delivery. Manipur widely celebrates 73rd Independence Day. Manipur's Thaunauzam Niranjoy sets world record in one-arm push-up. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. 8 people have been injured during a violent scuffle at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal, in the early morning today after a woman died after caesarean delivery at the hospital. The deceased was identified as Wakrambam Devita, age 23, wife of Wakrambam Johnson. According to her mother, Devita was admitted to the hospital on June 10th for caesarean birth, but the operation was conducted in July as the baby was premature at the time. Her condition got worsened after the operation and since then she had been undergoing treatment, she added. Devita started to experience a swollen stomach and difficulty in breathing. Later, the doctor confirmed that both her kidneys had failed. Then she underwent a 5-day dialysis. She said that Devita was kept in ICU as her condition had deteriorated. The deceased mother claimed that early operation could have saved her daughter's life. Following the death of Devita, enraged locals and patients' parties stormed the hospital where a violent scuffle ensued after police tried to intervene. 8 people were injured during the scuffle when police fired tear gas shells to disperse them. Later, a team of protesting group went to meet the chief minister following a meeting with the medical superintendent of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences.
Concern Memiche, Mashima, direct Magi dismissed Tauba, Aduga, Hyderabad seat, Togdrigay, Yanidrigay, Akoi, Ashiva, dead body, Laudaba. Adu Hosi Akoi, Shem, Hanana by the Magdakoi, Sanana by Shem Sari, Aduga, Makata, Paudi, Akoya, Shem, Hanamatum, Mam, Pautum.
Mabung Mapa, Mama, Mapa, Na, Kainera, Kainera, Ni, Habigi, the Maktasako, Kibani, and Kangadaba, Nunchi, than a pigeon, than a pitan, than a covenate, Angang, Chirani, Kainera, Ni Habigi, the Makta, Muiba, Quina Tata, Kisakong Nabani, those Halang when Pang, the Bagisakong Nabajibu, Kainera, Ni, Chirani, Mabung, Mapa, Masan, Mani, Unadanaba, Unararoy, Aroy, Bagidam, Tako, Saki, Dr. Jinhadeji. I know why the Lepiro doctor. Haideg I chowed and a lay Chagi Mapunchi that the Kangige go on I matic chana togen I cali Doctor Mimis the Pura Isha happening to Bani Aduna ID Hauji Ishaze Pork Patagi Nazuna de Mapop to Kai de Ishazina Kaigumba Hauji Maraiba Tina Sigare I get the Aroibani Chana Chiba Mapanda I Chigan and a Leo Carbani Adu Wai Chiba Taraga I Isha Haliba Doctor Mab the Aina I Pachazu Pamde, Amazu Pamde, Jasanabazu, I Mazi, Halaga, I get Kusi the Malo Salagaco, I G and the Lazu, I get Tawai Tarazu, Itagim, the Tatokani, I see the Lepe.
Mahogi demand list Mangataro Pire, Ado Pibayaba, Koi, Honorable Sham, the Tamzaraga, Honorable Sham, Hosiko Vire, Luna Kaito Voyage, help na Karito Voya, Duga, Atayate. Tung the Sutolak Naba, Karito Viage, Sekui, Kan Sigi demands say, concerned doctor, the action lowa on the compensation. Atay di Moise, Shemba, the doctor Singna, Hebedi, Yariko private practice told the Bahabashi, Simagayawi. Negligence label later inquiry Ama Chataramatung the Haigadam. Adana Hosik. Doctor Sigi Matakta inquiry, ministerial inquiry, lady. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯦꯟꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯅꯦꯒ꯭ꯂꯤꯖꯦꯟꯁ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ.
Meanwhile, Dr. Tensubam Nimi has been placed under suspension with effect from today in connection with the death of W. Devita. In this regard, the Jennings authority issued an order. Coordinating body Khurai and Eastern Educational Club jointly observed the 73rd Manipur Independence Day at the EEC Club campus Khurai Ahongai today. A flag embossed with Ibudho Pakhangba's Pafal was also hosted at the occasion. BB Nutrition Center Kesamthong conducted a free health checkup for elderly members of the local club to mark the event. The Naga community today celebrated 73rd Independence Day on the theme One Goal, One Destiny at the Katomei village ground in Senapati district. The event was held under the aegis of United Naga Council UNC in association with Naga People's Organization and PO Senapati. All the chairmen of 20 different Naga tribes, members of All Naga Students Association of Manipur, Ansam, Naga Mothers Association, along with various civil society organizations took part in the event. Speaking at the function as special guest, General Secretary of Naga People's Movement for Human Rights, Ino Naigulu Krome, said that Naga's identity has been ignored for a long time, which is condemned by the Naga people. Krome added that the uniqueness and identity of Nagas will remain unchanged.
Akoigi negotiator haibadi akoigi NSN gi General Secretary oiba ko akoigi Prime Minister su oiba government da koi TH muiva adu magi government sibu Naga sing na mandate pibi khrabni nahak na tawri bisi akhoi mayam na support tawi mandate tawi ayaba which is honorable ko which is acceptable adu agreement du di nahak na work out to biro hana adumana tawrabani adu hojikti unique history haibadu yanare aduga akhoi na tabadi hojiksi ayambadi loisile adu main basis hi oigedabasi recognition of the identity of the Nagas. Nangi identity si haibasi madu accept obdo adugi basis degi moigi settlement du soider mak tawgani madu du yaudrabdi madu di ashubu natre awatpa oirani adubu settlement haigi madu the soider mak identity the base tawra tawgadabani.
Ravi, the interlocutor who was representing the government of India, whose status I thought to me whose status was above the Constitution of India, has been appointed as the governor of Nagaland now. To me, this is a downgrade. But if he is trying to solve the Naga problem under the Constitution of India, that will be the biggest mistake he will be making in his life. And in no uncertain term, when some of us met him in Delhi, we have told him very clearly, very specifically, right on his face, that the entire world is watching how you're going to handle the Naga case. The entire struggling communities in India and Northeast are also watching how you're going to handle the Naga case. If you do good, the world will remember you as somebody who have changed the course of human history.
Addressing the gathering, former president of United Naga Council UNC Adani Mao said that the term Naga nation is an ideology and even father of the nation. Late Mahatma Gandhi recognized and respected the identity of Naga community. Adani Mao also stressed on the importance of holding peace talks as arms and violence will not bring a solution to any issue. Full rehearsal parade for the 73rd Independence Day celebration was held at All Mini Secretariat Complex of Bishnupur District Headquarters today. 17 contingents took part in the rehearsal parade conducted under the command of Deputy Superintendent of Police Commando Osur Kumar, Superintendent of Police Bisnupur Hobson Sapam, District Commissioner of Bisnupur District Nita Arambam and Jetty of Zone 4 Bisnupur DITH Raghumani were present during the full rehearsal parade. Thaunauzam Niranjoy of Manipur broke the world record of Logan Aldrich, USA by doing 37 one-arm push-ups in 1 minute. He achieved the feat at Radiant Fitness Palace compound where he attempted to enter Guinness World Record under the sponsorship of Radiant Fitness and Naran Konjil Mamanglikai. Th. Niranjoy said that he had been attempting to break the record. He expressed happiness on being able to break the record with his one-arm push-ups. Logan formerly held the record of 26 one-arm and one-leg push-ups in 1 minute.
Press media gi kanggu su aina hainga isten thaga sere ai bu samaina kano puring thagot pi ba amajung samai interview lo pi yam harau je duga ka da ba mathang gi da su aina sidegi hena mai pakna Guinness World Record se amuka su attempt toba ngam jabo je hadna aina press media gi kanggu da ina haijare du la iba ing biri ba fencing adegi ai gi manaba lai ba mu sing ju aina hainga le tanam kon thaga sere
Nongin Environmental Society for Humanity NESH, CI College Bisnupur and United Gym jointly organized a tree plantation program on the theme Go Green at CI College in Bisnupur district today. Chairman cum Managing Director of Nongin Groups, Bullet Moirangcha, CEO of the Nongin Groups, Th. Nileshwar, Head of English Department, CI College, Memgo B students of NESH and members of United Gym took part in the program. Bullet Moirangcha said the tree plantation program was conducted to mark the Manipur's Independence Day. Speaking on the occasion, T.S. Memgobi said the saplings were planted for the college before she retires, and around 200 different kinds of saplings were planted during the program, she added. Manipur Independence Day Observation Committee also celebrated the 73rd Manipur Independence Day 2019 at the office of Ziri Ima Maira Paibi Apunbalup Jimpal at Babupara Jiribam. President of All Jiribam United Clubs Association Azuka Matum Maipak Sana Mangang, General Secretary of Ziri Development Organization JDOW Dinesh Meite, President of IPSHA Jiribam K. Ibomcha Singh, All Jiribam Maira Paibi President S. Sushila Devi, Jimpal President K. Mehma Devi and President of Jimwak Th. Jeannie Devi were present during the function. Meanwhile, Desam Local Council Jiribam also celebrated the 73rd Manipur Independence Day at Jiri College, Lairembi Leikai and Dibong Kuno. Well, it's time now for a short break, but coming up, a one-day narrative art form festival on Kanglai Wari Likhal Taret Health.
Gitam University Visakhapatnamda BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 60% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singgi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tobiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidamak contact tobirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara, phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Aina aigi punsigi leminagadaba nupa khanbadine ai sage pamad
mafamse nupa sobam nate
ai ijanu pibusu mangan na khana
ai nang nuksi
ai di nang nuksi de
Welcome back after the break. A one-day narrative art form festival on Kanglaiwari Likhal Taret was held today at the Hall of Manipur Democratic Union MDU Yai School Imphal to mark the birth anniversary celebration of former Maicho Purel Professor N.G. Kangjia Mangang. Speaking at the event, Professor N.G. Kangjia Meitei said that the festival was held considering the fact that oral narrative art form is an important source of information for the masses.
Mahendra haibo mountain ama chingjaw amka ure hai tap madad kari hare Mahabharat ki kano sina shlok sina Mahendra parvatang drishta tapase rupa shobitang samudra tere no sanai Manipurang jagam ho hojiki Mahendra mountain ji ure lining bakhar sulera me Arjuna madu yeng na samudra ki torban dagi Manipur haijing ghare haibade Odisha da lebo Manipur hogi shu leiri an masidit aina satrong ikanda aina college yojaga widring larik taminge da igiba adungai kalipa Manipur nati haibado adu dasu reference mayam pidana yaurabani anu akoi sunat nataba mafam je Mahabharat ki Manipur ne haraga koi arjane na haibasi sina singba mayam ase singduk na ba achumba lambi da lirak na ba masi argument hai tare wayat wari ngakani wayat kalona na libado sigi tariat asini ngasi aigi ipok na mit asida mayam na aibun nungsibi dana kaisusu tawbang amjada bai se kari makhradi Tauri hana khabira dana nungsibi dana ai nimisida yan hana ngasi saphonga ngasi hojik mak ngasi ngaki manung dagi chi wari tare se mathang loina mak liba horani
MLA of Wangkhem constituency K. Meghachandra today released a book written by Sumang Lila artist Sana Meitei titled City Police during a formal function held at Iboyama Sumang Lila Sanglen. In this regard, the author said that the book will help Sumang Lila artists, particularly those who play female roles, in understanding the society of Manipur.
Lilagi ikumba larikasi sagol sem sanayama kasari matanyama lupisa larikasi ijaba amadi magi atenba.
All Assam Manipuri Students Union, Amsu Karimganj District Committee and Martyrs Day Observation Committee Kalachera organized a peace rally to mark the 128 Patriots Day. Residents of Patharkandi, Hingla Rajbari, Moirangkhun, Lilam Bazar, Hatai took part in the peace rally. Amsu Karimganj District Committee lamented that Assam government announced the Bir Tiken Rizit Day as restricted holiday. They have submitted a memorandum to the Karimganj District MLA Krishendu Paul to make the day a national holiday. Meritorious students were presented with gifts at the function. The day was also observed at Patharakani, Laisharam Khun and Hingla. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP formed the first ever Hosai Jilla Parishad today. According to our correspondent, Rama Baladevi of Rajbari Jilla Parishad has been appointed as the new president of Nur Ahmed of Daboka Jilla Parishad as vice president of the newly formed Parishad. It is worth mentioning that the Hosai Jilla Parishad was formed earlier by Congress, AIUDF coalition government but dissolved on July 26 last.
Hosai lamdamda tariba mitei sagai jati punamaki wajaguru sing amata oina koi mayam gidamta oibani aina oibanate samaj ki mitei jati khungangna oibani aina mayam thamda thamjani maitei gi tariba khungang siga lambi thongna chingba jungkaina chingba bol pension na chingba ai koi gi Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi na ngasi sarkar gi khongda jak thongna ba koi nupi gi tamakoi na fi ba punamakse amatta chithakna phangangani haina
A 4-day workshop on method of teaching, question setting and evaluation organized by All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association Imphal in association with Board of Secondary Education Manipur wrapped up today at the auditorium of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Kanchipur. During the workshop, guardians and parents expressed their concern for the future of students of Standard Robert. They also demanded justice for Let and Babysana. Nambol MLA N. Loken has appealed to the people, underlining the need to stand united for development. Speaking at a Patriots Day cum Meritorious Award distribution program held at United Youth Club ground at Waheng Khuman Mayalikai, And Loken added that goals can be achieved when there is cooperation among the people by forgetting the game of leveling allegations against each other. Floral tributes were paid to the photos of Jandaneta Hizab Irawat, Haipau Zadonang, Betiken Rizit, Rani Gaidinliu, Thangal General and Pauna Brizabasi. Students who passed in first division in the board exam 2019 and successful children were presented with gift on the occasion. The program was attended by Jila Parishad member L. Jitain, President of MSF NG Milan, Founder Secretary of Pakchau Memorial English Academy L. Amuzao and Upapradhan of Ishok Gram Panchayat L. Arun. A team of Imphal West Commando conducted house-to-house search operation at Kesamthong Toplerak and Moirang Ningtholerak today early morning. During this search operation, around 145 houses and rented houses were searched and verified 230 individuals. However, no one was picked up during the operation. Meanwhile, as a preventive measure taken up ahead of Independence Day celebration, a combined team of Imphal East District Police Commando and 15 Assam Rifles under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Imphal East Jogesh Chandra Havisam, led by Additional Superintendent of Police T.H. Krishna Tombi, conducted search operation at Baruni Hill early this morning. However, no one was detained during the operation, which started from 4:30 am and continued till 9 am. One woman was injured when an auto rickshaw in which she was travelling met with a road mishap this afternoon at Bengun Maning Mayang, Imphal. As per reports, the injured was taken to a nearby hospital with the help of local women. Let's take another short break, but coming up, protests seeking justice for Baby Sana still continues. More after the break.
Studio 11, India's favorite salon and spa, now at Imphal. Our services are haircut, hair straightening, global color, body spa, hair spa, waxing, threading, facial and treatment, hand and feet care, makeup. Body massage. Studio 11, Salon and Spa, Imphal. Look fabulous. Fitness World Building, Singzamai Mathak Chongtham Lekai, Imphal West. Phone number 0385 2440164.
Welcome back. Residents of Singzamai Makha Sorok Haibam Lekai today held a sit-in protest demanding prompt justice of Baby Sana, who was mysteriously found dead inside the hostel room of Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur on 18th of July. The protesters condemned the death of Baby Sana and delay in the investigation. Welfare Club Amudon Akhamlekai Tera Imphal held a sit-in protest at the local community hall today to demand justice for Baby Sana. The protesters displayed several placards condemning the incident and demanded a fair trial in bringing justice for Baby Sana during the protest. The third Foundation Day of Palem Panthau Cultural Trust was celebrated at Langjing Achawa Makhalakai Community Hall. Managing Director of RK Fortune Developer Private Limited, RK Rameshwar, member of DRUCC Maitram Guna, Organizing Secretary of Sanskar Bharati Manipur Prant Swaran Kumar, and Chairman of the Trust Buddha Chongtham attended the program. As a part of the function, gifts were distributed to meritorious students.
Artists moina akhoi creative arts sibu pamjaba moina masiki thabukse tawragadi aidi afaba punsi nungaiba punsi marel nungai afaba tangdu leitaba santi leiba dukumba lamdam ma sagatpada akhoi khudimukse sober role lei creative worksina sober role am lei tana khanjaraga akhoi mod manaba masen punsanaraga akhoi hariba trust asi semgachagi bane ana akhoi ngasi phawuda akhoi Amata oina aikogi motor sida aikoi masel power ibji haunarubu litana to live a creative life haitana aikoina thamje.
Wing Commander Abhinandan Vardhaman, who was caught by Pakistan after his MiG-21 went down across the line of control (LOC) on February 27 last and later handed over to India at the Wagha-Atari border crossing on March 1st, has been awarded Veer Chakra. According to reports, during a dogfight with Pakistan Air Force jets on February 27, he shot down a Pakistani F-16. He was posted with the MiG-21 squadron in Srinagar before the incident. After going through the medical process after his return, he was posted back to a fighter unit. According to Home Ministry indications, the earliest possible date for assembly polls in the new Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir is around March next year. As the Election Commission (EC) held its first meeting yesterday for the delimitation exercise necessitated under the new Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act. The EC held internal discussion on the matter and formal communication was awaited from the Ministry of Home Affairs. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. 12 injured in protest at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences after woman dies post-cesarean delivery. Manipur widely celebrates 73rd Independence Day. And Manipur's Thaunausam Niranjoy sets world record in one-arm push-up. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.